All right, ladies, let me ask you this. When was the last time you really, truly reveled in the pleasure of your pussy? When was the last time you really cultivated that heat and that fire and that passion, that drive that sexuality brings to your life? I hope it was yesterday, because this is a daily practice. This is something that when you bring into a daily routine is going to ignite your life so much faster than anything else. It's a way to call in what you dream of. It's a way to manifest what you want in your life. It's really just one of the most powerful and incredible ways to show up with more love, with more presence, and with more hope for life inside of yourself. So we just did an incredible 2-hour workshop with the one and only Leah Piper just about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. It was so fun. It was so powerful. We talked all about the vulva, how to pleasure the outside of your pussy, how to get her turned on and happening. And then we did a pelvic floor sweep. We went inside and we cleared old patterns, limiting beliefs. We cleared traumas. It was amazing. The women who came got so much out of it. And next Thursday on August 12th, we are doing an advanced class. So if you didn't make it to the first class, you're still invited to come to the advanced class. But for this advanced class, you do want to have a jade egg, because we're going to be doing a beautiful jade egg practice. We're also going to be teaching you about the tantric turn-on framework, which is a very, very, very useful thing to know and understand, because when you know this tantric turn-on framework and you know where you are on the spectrum of it, if you know you're over here and you know your partner's over here, then you can find a way to meet each other. So we're gonna do a 2-hour workshop again. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna have so much amazing abundance flowing through our bodies, and we really would love to see you there. So do register for that. There's a link below. You can come by yourself or you can come with a friend, tiny bit more if you come with a friend, but totally worth it. And we really look forward to this one. And we're going to be together in the flesh right here in my new studio. So I look forward to seeing you then and sending you so much love. Namaste.